Mastering Business English. Financial Reporting Collocations. Hello language learners. Welcome back to our series on advanced vocabulary and collocations. Today, we are going to delve into an important sector of business English, finance and accounting. Our topic of the day is financial reporting collocations. This knowledge will be indispensable if you're planning to work in an English-speaking business environment, particularly in finance and accounting. Collocations are words that typically go together in English. In the field of financial reporting, these collocations can be verb-noun pairs, adjective-noun pairs, adverb-verb pairs, and more. For instance, conduct an audit is a common collocation in financial reporting. Conduct is the verb that's often used with the noun, audit. Understanding these collocations is vital to speak and understand business English effectively. Let's look at some common collocations in financial reporting. 1. Draw up a budget. This means to prepare or create a budget. 2. Conduct an audit. This means to perform an official financial examination. 3. Keep records. This refers to maintaining documentation or files, often for accounting purposes. 4. Submit a report. This means to present or provide a formal account or statement. 5. Balance the books. This is a term for ensuring all financial transactions have been recorded and are in balance. Take time to familiarize yourself with these collocations, and try to incorporate them into your vocabulary. Now that we've looked at some collocations, let's put them into context with some sentences. 1. The finance department is tasked with drawing up a budget for the next fiscal year. 2. The external auditors were brought in to conduct an audit of the company's financial statements. 3. It's essential for businesses to keep accurate records for tax purposes. 4. The accounting team needs to submit a report detailing the revenue for this quarter. 5. At the end of the month, our accountants always make sure to balance the books. Notice how these collocations make your sentences sound more professional and precise in a business context. There you have it. By mastering these financial reporting collocations, you'll be able to communicate more effectively in a business setting, particularly in finance and accounting. Remember, language learning is a journey, and every new phrase or collocation you learn takes you one step further. Keep practicing, and soon, these phrases will become second nature to you. See you in our next video where we'll continue our deep dive into the fascinating world of English collocations. Happy learning!